Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show how to delete Twitter X account permanently. To delete your Twitter account permanently, you can follow the steps. Simply log into your Twitter if you have not already, or you could launch your Twitter app. After that, access to the account settings. In the top left corner, there's your profile icon. Go there, and on the bottom, you can see settings and support. Select the settings and support and go to the settings and privacy. And over here, select your account in the top. And here we can see the deactivate account. Tap on the deactivate account, and the bottom you can see there's a deactivate again. Select deactivate. What you have to do is confirm your password. Enter your password to confirm that you want to deactivate your account. And after you're done, on the bottom right corner there's a deactivate tab there. Once you confirm your account will be deactivated, your account will no longer be accessible and your username and public profile will be removed from Twitter. But Twitter remains your account information for 30 days. After deactivation, if you change your mind, you can log in within this period to reactivate your account. After 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. Your information will be removed from Twitter service. And remember, once you delete your account, you will lose access to your tweets, followers, and other account data. This is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.